Hi, let's talk about two-step equations. What we have is we have a problem where we're trying to uncover an unknown x. All right, we know that this requires two steps: 2 times some number plus 1. Okay, so that's two different operations. We're multiplying and we're adding. What we want to do is, again, we want to go opposite, just like our one-step equations. We are going to first find the variable. We're going to circle it. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add or subtract. Well, here it says addition, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite. We'll be subtracting. Finally, once we finish that, we're going to multiply or divide. Here I said we multiplied, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite. We're going to divide. All right, let's solve this problem. All right, as I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and subtract and divide, because those are the opposite of what's going on here. We say we're going to circle the variable. I'm splitting up the left and right side of our equation. Whatever I do here, I must do to the right side because we need to keep it equal. If I do one thing here, we've changed the whole problem. Our answer would be different. So what we want to do is maintain both sides equally. All right, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And this is just like any subtraction problem. We're going to subtract this away from what's in our equation up here. Nothing happened to the 2x, so we're simply bringing it down. This cancels out. 5 minus 1 is 4. All right. Then we say the second step is to divide, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to divide this side by 2 because this is 2 times x, so we want to do the opposite. We're dividing by 2 here. Again, we have to keep everything equal. We're going to divide this side by 2 also. 2 over 2, or 2 out of 2 is equal to 1. All right, that's like saying if we have 2 halves, we would have 1 whole orange, for example. All right, 1 times x is x. 1 times anything is the other thing, so this is x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. All right, double check it. Make sure that we get the right answer. Okay, this was 2 times x. X is equal to 2, so we're going to multiply by 2 plus 1. All right, order of operations says we multiply before we add, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 was what we started with over here, and the problem works.